I'm CM Coleman. Welcome to my home. Today we are making heavy syrup. And you're asking, why is it called a heavy syrup? It's because it's a 2-to-1 ratio. Instead of 1-to-1 for our simple syrup, this heavier syrup has 2 cups of raw sugar and 1 cup of water. This one you have to watch a little bit more. I'm going to take it to the stove and melt it, bring it to some heat, and then just stir it until the sugar melts. Once the sugar melts, I'm going to cool it and we'll come back here and finish it up. Alright, my heavy simple syrup has cooled. And I put this outside because, well, it's cold outside. So it cooled really quickly. Now normally, as with the simple syrup, I would not put this in this kind of container, but I wanted you to see this. I would basically put this in a jar like this and label it. It is so simple. Like I said, this is a heavier syrup, so it will take less of it to sweeten something, which means it won't dilute it as much. It is really wonderful to have on hand if you want to do things like anything with cranberries, which I think cranberries are really, really tart. But if you add too much of a simple syrup, you can water down the taste. This will make a heavy simple syrup, will make it taste a whole lot sweeter without adding tons and tons of water to it. It's really great. You can use this, and we're going to use this in a couple different drinks and things. But go ahead and make this. If you do, let me know on social media. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget to check out my latest playlist to see what I'm up to. And you can also check out the website where you can see this blog, the blog post for this and other blog posts. And as always, remember, running your house doesn't have to be a full-time job. Turn it into a hobby and have some fun.